The Bilstein B8 TerraSport rear strut is the best way to give your all-wheel drive 2015 to 2020 Jeep Renegade more height and better performance both on and off the road. The B8 TerraSport offers a perfect blend of on-road comfort with off-road capability, giving you performance without sacrifice. While there will always be naysayers out there, we have to admit the Renegade is pretty capable right out of the box. But if you want to improve on what Jeep made, look no further than the B8 TerraSport from the suspension experts over at Bilstein. The headline here is that installing a set of these on your Renegade all the way around will lift it 1 inch overall, both front and rear. So you get that cooler look, plus you get a better approach and departure angle for off-roading. Now Bilstein has also designed these to work with your original factory springs, and they've done the whole thing in such a way that you can actually get your Renegade aligned to factory specifications without issue. So even with that additional height, it will align and drive and steer exactly as it did when it rolled off the factory floor. You'll just have a little bit of extra height. But it's not all about that height. The B8 TerraSport is also really focused on performance and on ride quality, giving you balanced damping and rebound. These are tuned for specific applications. So the valving here, it's set up perfectly for the Renegade. Helping accomplish that is Bilstein's digressive valving technology. This allows the shock to basically instantly react to impacts and varying road surfaces. Inside, you're going to find velocity-sensitive digressive floating pistons, which allow for more variability in rebound, compression, and travel. So despite being non-adjustable shocks without remote reservoirs, the damping here is excellent, and you can definitely feel the difference in body control versus stock, especially when you're tackling some rougher terrain. Now this is a nitrogen-charged twin-tube design, so ride quality here is also top-notch. And it may end up even feeling a little bit more comfortable than your factory shocks, especially if those are a bit worn out. But you get way more performance and control both on the street and the trail, and it comes basically without compromise. Construction, as is typical with Bilstein's offerings, is excellent as well. You get a 46mm diameter shock body that is zinc plated for durability and good looks. Inside, you're going to find a chromed and hardened piston rod with that velocity sensitive digressive floating pistons we were talking about a moment ago. Now Bilstein also backs all of their shocks up with a lifetime warranty against defects, and I can tell you from experience, they are very good about honoring that. Just make sure you keep your receipt handy. Pricing comes in at about $175 per shock. Now, as you can see, these are sold separately. I only have the passenger side rear one right here on my table. However, the matching driver side rear and both fronts are also available on our website, and if you're swapping out one, you will want to do all four for best results. And the results here really are worth it. I've had Bilsteins on several of my vehicles over the years, and I can tell you from experience, every time I put one on, I'm impressed. Now, this is going to be a bit more expensive than an OEM style replacement, but it's going to be a great performance bargain for your money. And if you want that great performance, the additional height, and really, well, even better ride quality than stock, it's worth spending a little bit extra to get the B8 TerraSport. Installation gets a 2 out of 3 on our difficulty meter, and the job should take you about 2 hours per shock. Now, since the Renegade runs coilovers in all 4 corners, and this is just the shock, you are going to need to have a spring compressor tool on hand in order to get this job done. And you should also plan on having an alignment completed once you've got everything buttoned back up, especially if you're doing all 4, which again, I highly recommend. However, the process is straightforward. Again, this is all designed to work with your stock springs and your stock top mounts. All of those can be ported right over here to the B8, and there are no permanent modifications required to the vehicle itself, so it's something that most owners can tackle at home. Just again, if you're going to be doing all 4, account for the fact that you're going to spend a little bit more time as you're going to have to work your way around the vehicle. But again, definitely something you can accomplish at home. Just grab a spring compressor and some common hand tools, and you'll be ready to rock and roll. That's going to wrap it up here for our review of the Bilstein B8 TerraSport rear passenger side strut fitting 2015 to 2020 all-wheel drive Jeep Renegades. Thanks so much for watching, and for everything Jeep, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.